Hi everyone. This video explains how to use the MECE calculation sheet. It contains 2 chapters, Operation and Tips. Use the video progress bar to skip to any topic. Note that this video supplements the Quick Start Guide video, which explains each step of the estimating process and describes system standards for sheet layout and handling. If you have not viewed the Quick Start video, please do so before viewing this one. Written documentation about the topics mentioned in this video is available on the support website. Click on the Knowledge Base command in the Ironworks toolbar to access it. If you want our help building a master estimate, playing what-if games with your fleet's composition, or producing charge rates for a complex job, or a special client, contact us using the consulting page. Let's review the operation of the MECE calculation sheet. The MECE calculation sheet is used in Step 6 of the process of building a fleet employment cost estimate from scratch. Each step of that process is covered in the Quick Start Guide video that is available on YouTube on the Ironworks ECM channel. The purpose of the MECE calculation sheet is to report for close examination and assessment machine employment cost estimates, one by one, for each machine record in the equipment list. All values specified in the estimate setup, equipment list, custody plans, overhead cost estimate, and employment cost factors sheets that drive cost calculations are automatically transmitted to this sheet. All estimated costs, resource requirements, and charge rates are automatically calculated and transmitted from this sheet to the charge rate guidance sheet, fleet summary sheets, and fleet visualization sheets for assessment. One machine record is displayed in the sheet at a time. Click on the machine key cell, located at the top left side of the sheet, to pick from the list of machine records. Click the previous and next buttons to move up and down that list. Machine employment cost calculations can be examined in detail by expanding and collapsing the outline of rows using the buttons on the left side of the sheet. To expand any part of the outline, click on a plus button. To collapse any part, click on a minus button. To open the entire outline to a specific level, click on the numbered buttons at the top left side of the sheet. Cost factor values reported in this sheet originate in the Employment Cost Factors sheet. To automatically navigate from this sheet to the Cost Factor sheet, right-mouse click on the cell containing the cost factor value of interest. To return, click on the MECE Calculations sheet tab located at the bottom of the screen. You can move between sections of the sheet using the Go To command in the Ironworks toolbar. Once in a section, you can move from one cost breakdown structure component to the next, using the Control key in combination with either the up or down arrow keys. Finally, let's review some tips on how to use this sheet. Tip 1. Begin your assessment of an individual machine employment cost estimate using the visualizations. Then, if more detail is required, drill down into the forecast monthly costs using the cost summary table. Tip 2. Assess calculated costs by examining the subject costs estimate details. For example, the overhaul cost for the selected machine is 0 because the overhaul was scheduled to occur after the end of the rate period. Tip 3. When utilization for the fleet as a whole is a concern, examine the custody plan visualizations for individual machines that are automatically produced in the MECE calculation sheet. That's all for now. Let us know what else we can do to help you implement Ironworks. Thanks for watching. Bye.